Yo.
Hey, your mama on the beat.
Brand new Lamborghini, a cop car with a pistol on my hip like I'm a cop. Have you ever met a real good rock star? This ain't no guitar, it's just a clock.
Hey y'all, it's me Kelci. Welcome back to my channel. So, as you read by the title, today I'm going to be unboxing my new camera. Y'all, it literally just came in like 5 minutes ago, and I'm very excited. Like, I just can't be still. So I don't even know what to say. I ordered this January 31st. I ordered this Sunday, January 31st. I ordered it while it was on sale. So the original price of it is like, I ordered the Canon G7x Mark II. I got it while it was on sale. I actually ordered it like the last day that it was on sale. So I got it for $4.99 plus tax. But I also ended up getting like 2 free items with it. I got like a camera carrying case and an SD card for like the same price as if you were getting the camera by itself. Y'all, I'm so excited. So I'm actually gonna go ahead and open it now. And of course, I'll link everything down in the description box. But I got it from this place called BH Photo Video. It's in New York, and that's where I ended up getting the best deal from. I didn't want to get it from Amazon because like, I heard the ones on Amazon, actually I've heard and actually read the reviews and stuff, that the ones on Amazon are actually like the international versions. And some people don't mind having an international version, but I wanted the actual US version. And then I've heard like sometimes they don't perform like the same, or they don't do the same thing as the US version. I just went ahead and just got the actual US version, and plus the ones on Amazon, you get extra stuff. I didn't really need the extra stuff and everything, so I just went ahead and got the actual one. It's very hot in here. Like, I was cold literally a few minutes ago, but as soon as I heard they knocked on my door, I got too excited. Yo, I can't believe I freaking got it. Like, when I tell y'all, it was a choice between the Canon M50 or the Canon XS740 or the G7X. SX740 is actually very similar to the G7X, except for the 740, the quality isn't like that great like the G7X. Oh my gosh, y'all, I'm so excited. Okay, so like I stated earlier, I did get 2 free items. So I got an SD card. This is the SanDisk 64 gigabyte, and I'm actually gonna end up getting like another one, but right now I'm not gonna get it because 64 gigabytes, it might be good enough for right now. And then I got a carrying case, so that's good. I don't have to buy a carrying case because I was gonna get one from Amazon. It was actually a pink one, but oh my gosh, and now onto the camera. Y'all, I am literally screaming on the inside. Okay, so most of y'all probably know or don't know, but I currently film my videos on my iPhone 11. Sometimes I use the front camera, sometimes I use the back, but right now I'm using the front camera. So I am gonna do like a comparison. I watched so many unboxing videos. I was actually watching some like literally a few minutes ago, and I was gonna lay down and take a nap because I got too excited, and I was like, you know what, maybe when I wake up, the FedEx person, they'll come to the door. And literally like 2 minutes right when I laid down, that's when I heard a knock on the door. So I have like a warranty that comes in the box, and then a getting started guide. I saw some people say theirs was like thick, unless they kind of shortened it, because this is not even thick, not for real. Maybe they was just over exaggerating. And then on one side of the box, I have a little wristlet that goes onto the side of the camera, and then I have the battery charger, and then I have the actual battery. I didn't think this was gonna be that small, but yeah, here's the battery and onto the camera. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Okay, so here's the camera. This is actually that little, bro. What? I didn't think it was this small. Wow. Pretty sure I just got fingerprints on it. What? I just bought a camera. What? Oh my gosh. I don't even know what to say. I don't even know what to say. So I did just order a tripod that needs to come in because I don't feel safe just carrying a camera around like this. I got it from Amazon, and then I ordered a protective kind of case off Amazon. It's actually gonna be pink. Like I said, I'll link everything down below. And then I ordered something else. Oh, a glass screen protector, because I've seen some people like screens is like scratched up and cracked and everything. Y'all, I'm being so gentle with it. I don't even what? Look at this. Oh my gosh. You kind of see my phone. I don't know how to like bend it out. I'm not even gonna try it right now. Oh my god. Oh gosh. This is so pretty. What the heck? Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and open up my SD card and I'm gonna put the battery in. I already know the battery's not charged, so as soon as I turn it on, it's gonna be dead. So, but I'm gonna go ahead and do like a side-by-side comparison for you guys. So I'll come back to you guys after I open up this SD card. Oh, there we go. How do you even attach the strap? Oh yeah, there we go. We got it on now. All right, y'all. About to turn it on. About to turn it on. About to turn it on. Okay, so I'm about to set the date and time. Today's January 6th. Oh my god, bro. Wow, the quality I can freaking not. Bro. Okay, I'm about to go ahead and do a side-by-side comparison because it's about to go dead in a minute. So okay, I did not expect the quality to be like what? Okay, oh my gosh, we are on a different level now. Okay, oh, see, I'm supposed to be looking down here. I'm looking up there. Okay, let's test the autofocus. It's taking a minute. Okay, Miss Ma'ams, what's going on? Okay, there we go. Now the thing is flashing red. So I do know that I'm gonna go around and play with the settings a little bit, because there's some things that I need to go ahead and fix before like I start vlogging and filming on this camera. But y'all, I'm so excited. Yes. Okay, all right, so I'm going to go ahead and turn it off because it's about to go dead. And now I'm about to flip back to my phone. Y'all, oh my gosh, no more filming on my phone. No more, because those days are over now. But yeah, this is the Canon G7x Mark II. I got it from BH Video. It's basically a company in New York, and they had a really good deal. The same deal, well, yeah, the same deal actually on their website, where you can get the camera, the case, and the SD card. But of course, like, it's not on sale anymore, but you still get the 2 accessories for free. So you're basically paying for the regular price now. I'm gonna go charge the battery and everything, and then more than likely my next video, of course, is gonna be on here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will be linking everything in the description box, like where I got the camera from and all of my accessories. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video.
I ain't your man, that's true enough.